Okay, so in this video, we're going to use some Python code to estimate the present value of a bond, consistent with what we had done previously here in the Vinegar Hill Finance Lab. So we have some results. We had this example here where the face value was 1,000, the coupon rate 6%, the risk-free rate 5.6. The time to maturity was 3 years, and the frequency of compounding was twice a year. So the coupon occurred twice a year, and this was a present value annuity approach to running that estimation, and the value, again, consistent 1,010, 91 or 90.7. So let's go down and let's load this code into Python idle. Now, just to note, where did I get this code from? A very nice resource here is exploringfinance.com. So let's just click on that for a moment and see what's here. And we've Exploring Finance tool to calculate the bond price using Python. So there's a nice couple of examples here with code included and then steps in terms of how to implement. And what's nice is there's a kind of progression. So once you run, the example is given and outlined, and then we go to the next step with Python, and then we can advance further. So how to run code in Python from scratch, and the installation. So go to python.org and run the installation file, new file in this Python shell. And a lot of details provided there, how to calculate the duration of a bond, which is something that we're also interested in. And it also provides, we will take a look at this later on, and we get some code, right? So that's useful to have a way of estimating the duration of a bond in Python. Okay, so there's lots in there. I'm going to go back here for a moment. I'm going to copy the code that I took from that resource, and then I'm going to implement. So let's just copy. Same segment of code as included on that portal. I haven't deviated at all. I'll copy. And then we need to go into the Python shell, right? So so with this Python shell, okay, let's go full screen and file, new file, and we got to paste, and we need to run. Now it'll prompt us to save. So run module, and okay, we'll save as bond 3, B-O-N-D 3, save, and it's run. And if we remember the values, the number of payments per year was 2, the number of years to maturity was 3, the yield to maturity was 5.6%, the face value was 1,000, and the coupon rate was 6%, and we should get a result of 1,010.97 or 1,010.91, and we get 1,010.96.57. So that's correct. Okay. Okay, so that's that. Python, very useful, and later we will take a look at duration.